Another, yeah, they don't do flag people here either. They just put up cones right when you're supposed to diverge. Look at the water coming off of the car. Yeah! It's like I was on the, what do you call it? The Sea-Doo. Look at this. Whoa. It's a good way to drain your car. You can't drive down. Oh, I'm getting some squeaking going on. Jesus Christ, the fucking rain, man. Whoa. Wicked. Wicked, wicked. Oh, another. Oh, there's lightning. Look at this. Holy fuck. Can't see a fucking thing. That's a Collectivo burying me in water. Anyway, this is my exit. So it's all good. I'm gonna get home. I just went and bought some wood to make some shelves. Is this a cop here? No, it's just a guy stopped, soaking wet. All these motorbikes. Here's an example of what it's like just right beside the house. Like it's just jungle. Wherever there isn't construction, it's just thick jungle. Holy shit! I feel like I'm jet skiing. Probably shouldn't be filming, eh? Anyway, this is our street, Del Fuego. Oh, there's big thunder there. Well, at least they won't have to fill up the pool today. So, yeah, this next stop here is our place. Alrighty, there you go. A little bit of tropical rain, you were asking. And, of course, it showed up before we left. Yesterday was nice. It was supposed to be raining when we went to the beach, and it was a gorgeous day. Talk to you later.
Here's what?
The thunder. I just wanted to get it on paper, on tape.
On paper? I'm not a thunder, babe. I'm lightning.
We have a leaky window too. I'm gonna fix it tomorrow.
Front of the street, that's why it's raining.
Yeah, well, when I was driving, the videos I took. And this woman walking to her car. You just get so. I just went out to check the drain in the backyard, and I just got like soaked instantly, like just taking 2 steps, and I got soaked coming in from the car, which is 2 steps. That's a little drain there. And there's our laundry.
Yeah, wash 5 times now.
It's drying slowly. And there's our bicycles.
Holy smokes.
Hello?
That's quite the rumble, eh?
Yeah.
Oh my God.